Hello students, now start with online classes and now class 5 and today and now today maths and now starting an introduction of newly topic and now discussing about the and now today topic is mathematical operation. Now today topic is mathematical operation. Now mathematics how like to can operation and some of the questions now in today discussing about you and me. Now you all members must and should can see in blackboard and today most important topic in this today now some formulas here present and now this topic is now discussing about the addition of decimal numbers. Now already you can numbers and natural numbers, so many numbers can do it, any numbers can already can read in previous class videos. Now today different type of numbers and today now in different type means decimal, and this decimal number you all members also previous class read, but this decimal number can how like to can use the addition, how like to can use the multiplication, and this is how like to can the multiplication and divisions and subtractions. This is how like to can use and this decimal numbers. Once you can see guys, now this decimal numbers already you can all members in previous classes and place values and how they can use and every number counting, but this decimal numbers also can counting present. This is where to you can read once you can check once you on blackboard. Now you can see guys in blackboard. Now as usual one of the box and draw this blackboard. Now you can see guys, and this is point. This decimal number means what? This is of the one of the point. This decimal number main important is point. Okay, this is dot like one of the side. Now this is one of the dot is whole decimal number only can choose the value. That when you can see guys, already you started from the in place values is ones place to can read. Now this decimal number can choose dot after and dot before can read. Okay, can read dot after and dot before. Okay, this dot after this dot after starting from 10th place. Okay, once not present. Okay, dot after once not present means this is 10th not tens. Okay, 10th means what? This is divided means 1 by 10. Okay, divided dot after divided dot before into. This is one of the ones. O means ones already into 1 means 10 means into 10. Okay, this is into dot before into dot after divide. Now this divide means 10 means 10 means 1 by 10. Now 100 means 1 by 100. Thousandth not in thousand. Thousandth means 1 by 1000, and this like read guys, and now dot after divide dot before into. Now this is only can read properly. Now once you can see this number can read 352.434. okay, this like read 434. Now in 4 10th 300th 4. Now 434 352 dot point dot or point you can only you can choose point 434. okay, now this like only read. Okay, understand? Now this number, this type of number used for in addition, how like to can use once you can see. Now 324.748 plus. Now guys, next number. Now once simplify question. One of the simplify question one gave, you can see 1856 plus 78.28 plus 43483. Now guys, once you can say one number only decimal present, remaining two also not decimal not present. Now you can see guys, decimal were present, that number decimal after how many numbers, that number remaining number two can choose decimal after how many numbers and remaining numbers not decimal present na, that number how many numbers decimal to present, that number take it in zeros. Now once you can see guys, in 1856 and now is 483. Now these two also, both which one big one you starting from that right here. Now 1856. Now take it 1856. Another one Remaining one you can take it. 400. Already you ones place to only start with 3, 8, 4 over. Now another one is different type of question present. You can see guys. Already this is one of the place value table. This is decimal place value table. Decimal after 10th. You can anyone write decimal number, but you can write in 10th place. For example, 10th place not present, you can 0 can take. Okay, decimal after two numbers present. Months starting with is 10th, then after 100th means 1000 not present. You can take it 0. Now you can start with zeros. Means decimal before ones present na. Here as usual process you can start with in addition is ones place 2. Now 0, 0 2 means 0 not. This is one of the ones. Now here ones place is 8. You can write in 8. Now tens place is 7. Another one of the small trick, you can do it in decimal. Now you can do it in decimal. Then after you can remaining numbers you can take it. Now this one only decimal present and remaining numbers not present. You take it in decimal after 2 zeros. Okay, this both also can add. Okay, 0 0 8. Now 2 6. 8 plus 3, 8 plus 3 how much? 11. 11 plus 6, 11 plus 6, 17. Now 1. Now 12, 13. This is a 21. 2, 12, 14, 1, 2, 4. Once can check. 0, 8, 2. Means this is 17, 1. This is 12 and 11, 21. You can take it in 6 and 12, 12 plus 4. 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 1, 2. This total number is now 2417.20 and that answer. Okay, understand guys? And this is this type of question. Now must and should one only come. This type of question is simply you can exam to 2 marks, like 2 marks you got it. Easily can. This is all simple. This type of question some give and you can solve after you can send. Okay. Then after this type of you can take it any number, but decimal after how many number? For example, here 2 numbers decimal not present, another one only decimal present, but remaining numbers also you can take it decimal after this decimal number present, how many numbers present, that remaining numbers to decimal after that zeros you can take it. Then after easily you can solve it. But you can places, you can which one to place can then put that place only you can do it. For example, here 10th place only started. Then after decimal after 10th and 100, and you can put it in a must and should, that place only can put it. Okay, understand this, like this type of questions. Now I am send. Then after you can send. Okay. Now addition of decimal. Now subtraction also same only. Same. This is one of the main topic. What this is sign can change. As usually you can first you can take it in big number, then after easily can solve it. Big number to can take it, then after big number, then after small number, easily can solve it. Means you can take it in small number is this is of the you don't confuse having. Now you big number to can start means you can do it in easily. Now decimal subtraction same only. Now one of the trick is multiplication. Once you can see guys. Multiplication of decimal number. Once you can say this is main important. All members as usual into done, but this is main important. Once you can see 32.8 into 2.4. Now both sides also decimal present. Now this is only main trick. Once you can see both also addition means both also decimal present. Sir, answer also decimal. Answer also decimal. But you don't confuse. As usual, how like to can procedure you can do it in multiplication. Last once you can see 4 as usual into done. 4 8 is how much? 32. You can do it in 3. 4 2 is 8. 8 plus 3 11. 1 1. 4 3 is 12 plus 1 13. Okay, one step over. Remaining 2 8 is 16. 2 2 is 4. 2 3 is 6. Now answer can do it 7 7 7. 7772. Now this is only important trick. Here decimal after how many zeros? How many numbers present? One number. Here decimal after how many numbers? One number. Total two number. you can do it in ones place too. 1 2, take it position. Okay, last number as usual process done, but decimal after how many numbers, last answer came, then after you can how many numbers mean decimal after and that number how many numbers present, you can do it in a how many. For example, here two numbers present and here two decimals, decimal after two numbers present, count it in ones place to ones and tens, then after before you can do it in a decimal. Okay, this type of multiplication and this type of questions also I am done. You can some questions give, you can solve after, can send the picture. Now divided, this is also main important, this is also can how like having, you can see. Division, this place only main you can use decimal after only 1 by 10th, 1 by 100, 1 by 1000. Okay, this place only main use. Once you can see guys, some of the question present, now you can see this is of the converting place, convert type of questions. Now you can see 32.8. okay, this is decimal number, this decimal number can convert from fraction like structure. Fraction like structure. Sir, this decimal present, you can fraction means numerator and denominator. How like having, sir? This is of the one of the number. This is only main important. This decimal number can do it now in fraction like structure. Once you can see. This decimal after you can, main important guys, you can do it in decimal after how many numbers, can do it how many numbers present, you can see blackboard. Decimal after one number only came. Now you take a decimal before how many numbers can do it, means that number you can write. 32 only. But this is an important, right? Decimal after how many numbers, you can directly mix to write decimal to erase by decimal after how many numbers, that number you count it, one can take how many numbers present, that number how many numbers present, and that like in how many numbers present, and that zeros can take. For example, two numbers present and two zeros can take. One is commonly, but zeros only add. One number present, 1 0. Two numbers present, 2 0. Three numbers present, 3 zeros. And four present, 4 zeros. Five present, and that you count. But one only commonly. One is must and should can write. Okay, this is only converted to fraction. Okay, understand? Now this is reverse order. Fraction present, you can do it in decimal. How like having a 1c. 342 by 100. Sir, this is one of the fraction. This is decimal to can do it, means how like having. Once you can see. This is only same trick. Once you can see now in blackboard. Now same trick. You can do it in previous in fraction. Is ones place to can down. This is also same. Decimal after how many zeros you can do it. One is commonly you can leave it. But zeros must and should. How many zeros present here? 2 0. Now you count it now. Ones place to count. 1 and 2 means how many zeros present, that number before, and how many zeros here present, and before means up to how many numbers, and that zeros how many numbers, you can do it in before decimal. Now 1 and 2 means 2 4.3 3.42. okay, 3.42, 3 decimal 42. okay, now you can read 42 not 3.42. okay, this like read. Now 3.42 not 3.42 decimal after you can 4 tenth 200 dislike not read 3.42. okay, in decimal numbers present you can dislike only read. For example, this is how like can read 324. This is one, and this is how like to can read, and as usual your process. But decimal after 324.52, not in 5 tenth 200 not like read. 52 only can read. Okay, you can write also that like only write 324.52. okay, this is like read. Now this is a convert to fraction like to decimal formation. Now another one, once you can see guys, division of decimal numbers. Now once key simplify question. 2.5 divide 5.2 or 5.2 or 5.0, this type of question present. This is how like having, sir, both side decimal present, you can how like can formation, sir. Once you can see guys, this is decimal present, you can convert from fraction like structure. Now is 25 by 10 divided 550 by 10. Already I am saying decimal after how many numbers, that can take it in down to 1 after that numbers can take. Now here fraction like divide also I am saying, this is the one side of the, you can do it now. And into sign come, then after he has changed the values, means 10 by 50. Both sides also can multiple, means 250 by 500. Now 10 can do it. 25 1 ja, how much? 25 2 ja how much? 25 2 ja 50, means 1 by 2 answer. Now this type of simple way. Now you can do it in decimal numbers, can formation of fraction like structure. Then after divide is easily can previous classes in fraction to do, no? How like to having in a division like. This type of question I am give, you can solve after can send. Now multiplication over, addition over, subtraction over, and division also over. This type of decimal number. Now today also main important topic. This is important, very very important. Now this is one of the side. This like what side? This is one of the side to write. This is only main important. This is sum of numbers. Sum of numbers means what? Sum means what? Plus. This is plus like structure anyone to present. This is of the, you can do it in simply this formula. You can by it means easily can solve it. Okay. Now first formula, sum of natural number. Now sum of natural number means what? Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is counting numbers. This counting numbers, now this is formula anyone to know. For example 1 to 1000 present. Sir, this much so much present, sir, is 1 after. Sum of natural number, and this sum of natural number n into n plus 1 by 2, and this is n plus n by 2. This is of the formula. N means what? Starting number, and this is ending number, starting and ending number. Now n plus 1 by 2. Now you can see guys 1 in 1 to 1000 numbers present. Now once you can example, once you can see guys, this is first formula, n into n plus 1 by 2. Now 11 to 30 between sum of natural number. Okay, this type of question present. 11 to 30. 11 to 30 is sum of middle to present. Now 11, 12, 13, 14, these numbers present. Now you can do it in plus sum of natural numbers. How many natural numbers, and you can mix with. This is very lengthy process and time taken, and you can take it this formula easily can solve. Now you can take it. This is one of the first number. This is of the ending number. Okay, understand? Keep it in your brain. Now properly. This is of the first number. This is of the last number. This is of the ending number. Now formula you can write it, n into n plus 1 by whole by 2. Now ending number how much present? 30. You can take it guys, n already I am said. This is n, you can take it ending number. Okay, this is ending number. Now ending number how much present? 30. 30 plus 1 by 2. Now 30, 31 by 2. Both also you can multiple. Now this is also you can divide also having. 2 1 ja, 2 15 ja. Okay, this is cutting down, cut down. Now 15 into 31. How much having? you can do it means once you can see guys. Now guys, once you can see, this is 31 into 15. How much came? 465. 465. This is 465, this answer. This is a 465. Now you can see guys, now 1 to, 11 to 30. Here 11 to 30, between numbers how many present in natural number? Now you can see guys, this is 11 to 30 not 1 to 30. Understand? This is, you can take it 2 4. 1 to 30 minus 1 to 10. Sir, what sir? This is can take. This is 1 to only can start na 30. Here 11 to 30 can name, but 1 to only natural numbers can take. You can 1 to 31 number minus 1 to 11 not. You can take it in 10. Now why? Because this 11 not take. Already this 11 you can take it in 11 to 30. Means 1 less only can take. In first number to any number here 1 first number present can less. Means for example here 12 present. Means 1 to 11 only can take. For example here 13 present. Means 1 to 12 only can take. Now this is only can take it in 1 to 30. And here any number present, for example 40 present, 1 to 40 can take. But this is minus only can take it. And this formula already I am said, this is a minus n into n plus 1 by 2. Same formula, you can do it, same only. Now easily once you can see, both also, already this can form and this is can solve it in 1 to 30. Means answer how much came? 465. This is one only can solve. This is answer, you can do it. N means how much? 10. Means here cut down 2 5 means here 11. 10 plus 1 11. 5 into 11. How much came? 55. Means you can both also minus done. 0. And next 1 400. Here 410. You as usual your process. For example 11 to 30 you can plus done. 11 plus 12. 11 means 11 plus 12. 12 plus 13. This all also can 11 to 30 numbers you can write. You all also can mix with this number. This answer only came. This is lengthy process. Once check after, then do it in this solving problem. Then after, this is only you can solve easily, and this process can easily. You only can understand in your brain. Now this process, this like any having. Okay, this is a sum of natural number process. You can do it guys. This formula can read n into n plus 1 by 2. This formula. Now sum of even numbers. Even numbers means what? 2 to divisible any numbers present. You can formula n into n plus 1. Okay, even number. Sum of even numbers n into n plus 1. Okay, sum of even numbers. N into n plus 1. You can take it any number, even number. Now 2. 2 to, now you can see guys, 2 to 10. How many even numbers present? Okay, 2 to 10 count means how many even numbers present. Now you can take it in a formula. 2 to even numbers means formula another one present. Only here, that's why here only 2 not, TO2. This is another one type of question. Now you can see, this is sum of even number. You can by heart this number. This type of questions I give. You can solve after you can send. Sum of even numbers means n into n plus 1. Now sum of odd numbers, n square. You can take for example 13. This is sum of odd numbers. Means this is numbers you can take it in a sum of odd numbers means 13 square having. Okay, 13 square means sum of odd numbers. Okay, now for example sum of even number 1 to n. This is only main important. 2 to 10. This like 2 like present. 2 to 10. How many even numbers present, and that numbers can mix with how many numbers came answer. Means 2 to. This is only last number. This is only first number. Now you can do it in formula. What this is number? Sum of even numbers. N by 2, n by 2, n by 2 into n by 2 plus 1. Now you can see guys, n means how much? 10 by 2, 10 by 2 plus 1. Now you can solve means you can cut down 5. This is also you can solve means you can cut down 5. Now listen guys, here fraction like present, you can solve after, you can do it now. Here anyone not present means 1 you can take it. Now you can cut down 5. 5 plus 6 how much? Means 6 plus into 30 means 2 to 10 how many even numbers means both also mix with 30k means 2 plus 4 how much? 6 6 plus how much? 6 plus even number is 2 plus 4 6 plus 6 12 plus 8 this is numbers you can mix with 10 how much is 13 only came. Now this type of 2 like present means 2 to 10 TO2 this is main important this formula 1 to n means this is n is ending number n by 2 into n by 2 plus 1 this is only ending number. Now same only sum of odd number 1 to n TO2 main important this is formula n plus 1 by 2 row whole square. Now this type of question one gave you can solve. Once you can see 1 to 31 this is both also odd number. Now this is both also odd number mix with in middle numbers how many you can do it in sum means formula what n plus 1 by whole square. You can how much came in answer this is both also can multiple in both means for example how much for example 16 came means 16 to double times can into means for example you can take it in 31 plus 1 by 2 here 32 by 2 means 16 32 16 square how much having 16 square 256. Okay, this is 1 to 31 256 odd numbers present. You can mix with that answer came. Okay, 1 to 31 how many odd numbers present you can sum means addition you can do it means that the total number of answer is 256. Okay, this is only formulas can use and sign for pictures and sign for in some of the question this type of formulas you can solve after you can send the picture already starting from in decimal number to and sum of numbers to ending. Now today class is over. Now this video can see after you can must and should guys you subscribe button to click done and like to and share done and comment button to you can and this video is correctly like or not like you can comment to can do it. Okay, must and should guys and all every members can do it in subscribe button. Now guys must and should I'm saying what stay for home. Okay, stay to home. Okay, understand must and should.